Cant Be Stopped. I'm one of the directors and owners of Climatech Group.
My name is Trent Moran. I'm a Senior Project Manager with Climatech Group.
My name is Che Cavill. I work for the Climatech Group and I'm a Project Manager.
Steve Chamberlain, AW Edwards, Senior Project Manager.
Climatech Group has been one of the leading mechanical services contractors in the design and construct space on the eastern seaboard for about 30 years, and we've been working in the data centre space for about 6 years.
Climatech has extensive experience on the east coast of Australia, providing mechanical services for the retail, commercial and data centre industry.
Our disciplines are in the retail, health, commercial and of course data centres.
I've been mainly on the pre-bid side of the data centre projects, going back about 5 or 6 years when we were working on the AWS projects in Sydney. That was in collaboration with Taylor Construction, and I've worked on all the bids that Climatech have done in the data centre space, and that's with Equinix, AirTrunk and also AWS.
I have about 10 years experience in data centres from supervision through to project management.
We're here working on behalf of our client in collaboration with our subcontractors and suppliers.
The SY5 project, which we're building for Edwards on behalf of Equinix, is a 58 megawatt data centre in Alexandria. It's Australia's largest data centre. It's a huge project, rapid build, and we'll do the bulk of our work there in a window of about 6 months.
Prefabrication lends itself to most projects, especially data centre projects being a lot of design and engineering done up front.
Prefabrication on SY5 is a huge part of what we're doing there. We partnered very early with Prefab Solutions, a key supplier in our supply chain, worked with them and developed a concept and a set of plans which really solved a lot of Equinix and Edwards problems in terms of program and buildability. Climatech Group has had a really close collaboration with Edwards Construction and also Equinix.
We have an excellent reputation with AW Edwards. We engaged Prefab Solutions on this project for their expertise in the prefabrication of pipework modules to be installed throughout the building.
Probably the two key elements to prefabrication on this job are the speed with which it allows us to build and also the consistency, which is a huge factor for Equinix across all its data centres.
So due to the speed of construction, we've made a collaborative decision to prefabricate as much as possible. This includes pipe modules, pump skids and a number of other initiatives. That's less man hours on site, which leads to a safer site overall to ensure that we can bring certainty to the program for our client.
The builder AW Edwards and the client recognise the advantages of the off-site prefabrication solutions early. They recognise the advantages in program, early delivery, control over quality and a major reduction in potential safety problems on site.
Often what we're seeing now with the compression of programs is that our teams and the other trades don't have adequate time to commission and fine-tune the job. By buying time effectively in applying a prefab solution, we're giving those teams adequate time at the back end of a project to ensure that the project we're handing over is finely tuned and properly commissioned. And that is a big tick for prefab in these sort of applications.
In the future, I'd like to see most mechanical services for data centres being prefabricated off-site in collaboration with other services trades.
The future of off-site fabrication, I would like to see multi-services included in the modules. That way that we can pressure test and pre-commission the pieces or plan of equipment before it gets to site to reduce on-site time installation.
I think collaboration is the word that springs to mind.
Collaboration.
Collaboration.